A very warm welcome to the CAD Designers Models YouTube channel. This is going to be the part 4 video on the basic tools being used in Solidworks. In this video, we are going to cover fillet, chamfer, trim and offset. To open the Solidworks, the part option is selected and plane is selected and the sketch option is chosen. So to proceed with the fillet option, two lines are required which are intersecting at the ends. So for that we are creating a rectangle. The fillet option is chosen. Both the lines are clicked and the radius or the distance is being specified through the dialog box which is available at the left. The dimensions can be changed. The fillet is used to create a smooth transition by adding a tangent arc. So as you may see, an arc is being created. Even the radius can be changed by clicking on the dialog box on the left. Next comes the chamfer. The chamfer creates a flat edge. At first, both the lines are being selected and the distance can be specified. Now as you may see, the distance specified here is 10. Both the horizontal and vertical lines have chamfered with 10 mm. The distance even may be changed to a dialog box. There are three types of chamfering. So the second type can be used to give it with different dimensions. So as you may see, we are changing the dimensions. The only thing we need to do is remove the equal distance option. So here, the distance specified is 15 and 10, which are not equal in length. Next, the third type of chamfering is using specified angle. Here, the distance and the angle are being specified. As you may see, we are specifying the distance and the angle. So after specifying that, we have to click the two lines that needs to be chamfered. And as you may see, we have chamfered with a distance of 20 mm and an angle of 30 degree. This chamfer is used with respect to angle. There is also an option known as point. It creates point on the surface or the component or even a line, which can be further used as a reference point or the starting point for drawing a line or a circle or etc. So as you may see, we have just formed a line point over there. From that point, we can use it as a reference point and we can start a line or circle. And next comes the trim option. For enabling the trim option, we need more than one body. So as you may see, we are creating it with two rectangles. We are dividing the rectangle into two. So for start the trimming, the trim entities option is chosen. The only thing we need to do is left click and drag along the line to be deleted. So the left key of the mouse is being pressed and dragged. So as soon as it touches the line, it's getting deleted. There is an option known as extend, which enables us to extend the line until it gets interrupted or its way by another line or any component. So as you may see, now we've just drawn a small line. By clicking on the extend option and clicking on the line, it just gets extended how much far it can until it's being interrupted by another line. So next comes the offset. The offset can be done through two methods. It can be of exterior offset or interior offset. We can also offset a line. So here we are going to offset a rectangle. After drawing a rectangle, the offset entities option is chosen and the rectangle is being selected. So as you may see, another rectangle appears which is being offsetted. The distance can be specified through the dialog box. This is an exterior offset. For drawing an interior offset, the reverse option is selected, which is on the dialog box. Or the value can be mentioned in minus. Yeah. So thanks a lot for watching. For instant update, do follow us on Instagram.